This is a demonstration of the Squidstat that's at UT Austin for the Battery Data Alliance. So we have a Samsung 25R cell. It has a capacity of 2,500 milliamp hours, hooked up to to channel 1 on the cycler. So what we can start with is just running one of these basic tests that's already been preloaded. What we can do is look at the open circuit potential. We'll do 10 seconds at a sample interval of 1 second. We can leave all these other things blank. Last I checked, this was at 3.93-ish milliamp hour, or 3.93 volts, sorry. And we can enter all these cell parameters, so we know this is a 1200 milliamp hour battery. We can enter the common reference electrode, any other information you want to save. This doesn't affect the particular measurement that's happening, so you just hit apply, and it opens up the file, data save location, and you can name it whatever you want. OCV, check, battery data lines, Samsung 25R. I hit save, and then it should take you to the view data tab. And you can see it in live time. Like I said, you can see that it's at 3.93. Runs for 10 seconds, samples once every second, as we told it to. Now, what we can do as well is build our own experiments. So we go to the Build an Experiment tab, and it's a drag and drop. I dragged in a constant current block here, and I am going to look at this and say I want to apply let's discharge this, right? So let's go 2.5 amps for 30 seconds, and I want to see, let's sample every second, and I want to see what the voltage looks like. We can also do things like CCCV discharges, pulse measurements, constant power, constant resistance measurements, but for now let's try the constant current just for sake of time. And then we can also say let's add another constant current here, if it'll let me. Alright, so I've been able to add another constant current. And this time, let's look at this one, which has taken the parameters of the other one, but let's charge this at 2.5. And then let's do this twice. And then we can hit save, or save as rather, and we can save this as test battery data lines 01 or 02, 05, 2024. Hit save. Alright, so this will show up on the bottom here, and then we can apply this as such, and then you just hit do not apply, skip, save, and then it'll take you back to that view data tab. And you can see immediately that's applying negative 2.5 amps, should do that for 30 seconds. And then you can see the corresponding voltage drop that's associated. And we'll wait for the experiment to complete. And you can also plot different graphs on the side. Right now it's defaulting to voltage against time and current. And like we saw here, it's begun to charge, and we see this huge voltage jump as is expected. This is a basic demonstration of the capabilities of the cycler. I hope you've enjoyed this video.